Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the ninth question in exercise 4.1. Prove that determinant 1ab minus a1c minus b minus c1 is equal to 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. So let's evaluate this determinant. I'm going to evaluate along the row. So 1 into 1 minus of minus c squared minus a into, now this is minus a minus bc, then plus b into, this is becoming ac minus of minus b. Now let's start to simplify. This is 1 into 1 plus c squared minus a into minus a plus bc plus b into ac plus b. Now let's remove the brackets and simplify. So this is 1 plus c squared plus a squared minus abc plus abc plus b squared. So let's cancel out the common term. So minus abc plus abc. So what is left is 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square, and that is what we are asked to prove. So hence proved. In the next video, we will find the solution for sums in exercise 4.2. See you in the next video. Bye.